Welcome to the Essential Residential Battery Backup Selection Guide, a step-by-step framework for 2026. Step 1 is choosing your goal. Do you need an essential load system to power Wi-Fi, lights, and a fridge? Or a whole home system for AC units, ovens, and laundry? A hybrid inverter manages power, combining grid power, solar panels, and battery storage. It stores daytime solar energy, powers the home at night, and reduces monthly utility bills. Step 2 is comparing battery technologies. Lithium-Ion, or LiFePO4, offers a 10-plus year lifespan, zero maintenance, and fast charging compared to lead-acid. LiFePO4 is the global standard, offering 100% depth of discharge, allowing you to use all stored energy. This chemistry is chemically stable and prevents combustion. Step 3 highlights top-rated global systems for 2026. Options include the all-in-one Tesla Powerwall 3, the modular Enphase IQ 5P, and the Canadian Solar EP Cube, which balances value and performance. In regions with dirty power and voltage spikes, specialized systems from brands like Luminous, Microtech, and V-Guard are built to resist severe fluctuations and survive frequent blackouts. Step 4 is to verify key specifications, including Pure Sine Wave, the Battery Management System, or BMS, 6,000-plus cycle life, and a smart monitoring app. Rule 1. Demand a pure sine wave. It protects sensitive electronics. Modified sine waves, produced by cheap inverters, can damage laptops and medical devices. Never buy them. Rule 2. The Battery Management System, or BMS, acts as the digital brain. It monitors cell temperature and voltage, prevents internal short circuits, and shuts the system down during emergencies. Rule 3. Requires 6,000 cycles, which equals 15 to 20 years of daily use. Premium lithium systems guarantee this cycle count, defining the system's true lifespan. Rule 4. Verify smart connectivity. Modern systems need Wi-Fi to track live solar production, display remaining battery time during blackouts, and send automatic maintenance alerts. Step 5 is the final buyer's checklist. Ensure you've calculated peak wattage. The inverter capacity is 20% higher than the load. The space is cool and dry, and the manufacturer confirms a 10-year warranty. The goal is energy independence. Choose LiFePO4 battery chemistry and demand pure sine wave inverters so a blackout never stops modern life. Protect your home for a generation.